guys, hey, it's me, and Fresh sent me this amazing box for Valentine's Day. Look at how gorgeous it is. And the box is so incredible. I mean, even like, it's just, they're just so unbelievably amazing to me. Love to hear that you're a Fresh fan. We hope you enjoy the products. That's so nice. Thanks, guys. I love Fresh. So this is my favorite Fresh product on the planet. It is the brown sugar body polish. It makes my skin so incredibly soft and smell really good because it's brown sugar and oil, so it's unbelievable. I hope my kids, when they come home from school this weekend, don't take it from me. You just literally take a little bit of it, rub it on. Don't shave beforehand, before you scrub, because you will really hurt yourself. Another thing that I really like here is the lip polish. This is really great for your lips, especially during this time of year when the weather is so crazy. Today it's going to snow. Yesterday it was warm. So this lip polish is really, really good for your lips. And then the other thing that I'm obsessed with is the Crème Ancienne eye cream. Most people use eye cream. This is a really, really good one because it's hydrating and really keeps those wrinkles at bay. So I love that. Then there's also the Crème Ancienne, the actual complexion cream. And this complexion treatment is really, really great. You know, I'm not 20 and I need a little bit more hydration than a younger girl. And so this is really, really great. It makes my skin look incredible and I love the product. Let's see, then the purifying mask, you guys, these are so great. My daughter Teddy always told me to use masks to purify my skin, even though I don't wear that much makeup normally. The purifying mask is just so great because it just takes that initial layer and lets your gorgeous skin shine through. I'm Killoren Bensimon. Thank you, Fresh.